So the pillows that were in here, I wanted to show y'all so y'all don't waste your money, were the Nautica pillows. Yeah, real flat and disgusting. I got a tip for these. I'm making my bed and showing y'all my new pillows, but don't throw these away because these have cushion in them. You can use these to stuff throw pillows and decorative pillows. So don't get rid of your old pillows. Now my new pillows, I have, these covers are pretty cool. I'm going to probably bleach them and just double my covers for the pillows that I would use more often than the ones I don't. So those Nautica pillows can go and be put up to stuff a decorative pillow or make it look more fluffy. Here's my new pillows. And this is going to be like a short but inside the video. Had to let these rise for 72 hours, so I'm making my bed. But yes, I had to invest in a better quality. I'm hoping these are great. Rizzy's been sleeping on hers for a couple weeks and she loves them. And I have the king size version of them. So yeah, do not throw away your old pillows. Use the stuffing for decorative pillows. That way you don't have to buy inserts. All right, later gators.